Hey everybody, welcome to your next installment of Basics and your first how to blend video, at least from me. We aren't going to be doing any cuts today. We just aren't. We're going to be working on blending, which is a very big technique when it comes to eyeshadow in general. So when it comes to blending, if you want to do cut creases, you're going to want to learn how to blend before you do it. So we're just blending. I'm going to use my mini breaker, but you could use any combination of pink and purple. That's what we're going for right now. I'm going to be using these three diagonal shades. I recommend having three. These two will easily blend into each other, but having that little buffer in the middle will make it really nice. So try to roll with something like that. And please, please use a primer. Use an eyeshadow primer. I don't care which one, just use it, or you're gonna get patchy and like upsetting pigment, and then you're gonna be upset. I use ABH primer. Bye. Now you can use a flat-headed brush, like cream brush, or you can use your finger. In my opinion, it really doesn't matter as long as it's on your face and not someone else's face. I like to do a little bit of both. I will use my brush to apply it at first, really close to the lash line. Then from there, once I know that's all done, I will grab a little bit more and use my finger to pat that in. Ta-da! Do that to both your eyes. Now that you're all primed up, I'm going to be using two brushes for this look. One is a Luxie brush, 141 mini round, and the other is just a Morphe brush that is very little eyeshadow brush. I'll be using both of those. We're starting with the mini round. I'm going to take my mini round brush into my deep purple first. This one's called Purple Punch. Now, as I said before, we're not doing any cuts, so really you're going to follow around your eye like you're doing a halo, but you're not. Still using my connect the dot rule. I love that rule. If you don't know about my connect the dot rule, throw yourself back to my eyebrow video, and then you'll hear me talk about that. Now, once you got a nice little half circle going on, it does not have to be perfect. We are going to take our brush, flip it out a little bit, and then go around and start making little baby circles very close to the purple, not dragging up high at all. Almost like giving it a little baby massage. There's a misconception that if you push harder, that it will blend better, and that's not true. Try to be kind of light with your actions. Now, as you can see, the purple is blending out really well over here, but it's lacking a little over here. So I am going to grab a little bit more Purple Punch on my brush and put it right there only. That's blended enough because now we're going to start adding more colors in. Using your other brush, my Morphe little tiny angled brush, we are going to go into that mid purple. It's not pink, it's not purple, right in the middle. In the mini breaker, it's called Foreplay. This guy right here. And now we're going to lightly put that right on top of the blend you just did. See, right on top of it. I'm sure at this point you're like, but Tisha, we just did all that blending. Now it's all gone. What do we do now? More blending. Once you dust off that brush and do those same still little baby circles that we did with the purple, do it with this color now, going up, but not a lot. Yay! So now our pink is blended out, or our purple pink. Dust out that same little angled brush and go now into the pink. In the breaker, that would be the bubble gum. Doing the same technique that you just did, go over the blends that you just made and pull up. Now remember, there is no set time for blending. If you see a harsh edge, keep blending it, bitch. I bet you're wondering what we're gonna do with all this patchiness now from all that blending upwards. We're now gonna reverse the steps we did. So we just blended that last pink. It's looking hella blended out, really nice up there, and then crazy patchy underneath. Go back in with your mini round and go into that mid purple, our middle color. Transition, if you will. Go right where it should be and make baby circles. It honestly shouldn't take much because it's not like the color was never there. We just went over it. And back to your deep purple. Once you're super happy with your blend out, at this point, let's just fill. Ta-da! Let me do my other eye. Ta-da! Now I'm gonna take my tiny little Morphe brush and bring that same blend we did up there under here, minus the middle color. Start with your pink, pink, pink. I like to blend it out pretty far. That's a preference thing. Camouflage my bags. Then same brush, go into the darker, the purple, and stay really close to your lash line. trying to slightly connect up here with down here with this purple too. Remember to keep doing little circles to blend. Very tight little circles so you're not going too far out of your line. Same for the other eye. And that is how you blend. If you want to keep continuing on with this look, we are doing liner next, and that will be in the next basics video. If you missed the first basics video, it was how to do these brows. So rewind back to that one, and you can come back to this one, and then you can go back to the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and turn on your notification bell so you always know when I have a new video. Thanks.